We know that there are a number of companies like the Horvath and the PhenoAge that do a really good measurement of our methylation patterns that give us a level of our biological age. In fact, it's come further than like telomere length. Telomere length is no longer the gold standard. It's moving into these epigenetic patterns. And epigenetics is one of the key drivers of our health span because they're one of the underlying mechanisms of the diseases and the other chronic issues we face as we age, which in many ways, that is the most impactful part of health spans. We have a number of gene sequences that are essentially our coding genes. These are the genes that we understand, we study, they make us up. But there's all this dark matter that was discovered during the human genome sequencing. It is no longer a dark black box. There's a lot going on there. And one of the more important pieces are these endogenous retroviromes. And these retroviruses have been handed down ancestrally. And for the most part, they help us manage pieces of our development as well as our immune system. They help us manage parts of our genetic makeup as well as managing pieces of our immune system. But for the most part, they are what we consider switched off. These are silenced genes, and they're silenced by methylation and acetylation. As we age, however, they become switched on. And there can be triggers. There can also be lifestyle stressors that cause your cells to turn on these endogenous retroviruses, and they age us more rapidly. How do they do that? Well, they interact with the immune system. They can turn on signals that tell your body that you're under a viral inflammatory response. They trigger the inflammasome,